Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Kimsology. Today we have a fantastic video lined up for you. We're going to explore the best side hustles to make 2024 your year of financial success. Alright, let's dive in. In today's rapidly changing world, side hustles are more relevant than ever. They can help increase your income, they can help you pay off debt, they can help you save for your dream trips, or they can help you boost your savings account. And with the holiday coming, they can help you buy gifts without touching your main income. So without further ado, here are the top side hustles to consider in 2024. First off, we have remote work services. With the remote work trend continuing in 2024, online tutoring, virtual assistants, and remote project management are in high demand. It's a great way to leverage your skills from the comfort of your home. Another great side hustle is e-commerce. Whether you want to start an online store in your niche, sell handmade products, or sell gently used items, online selling is an excellent side hustle. You can sell your items on platforms like Poshmark, Etsy, or Amazon to reach a global audience. Another great side hustle for 2024 is content creation. If you're creative, funny, or tech savvy, or just have a great niche in mind, consider becoming a content creator. How-to videos like how to do makeup, how to do hair, those and video production, photography, writing, and graphic design skills are in high demand for social media such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, blogs, and podcasts. Consider this because there is various ways to earn money when you're a content creator. The next side hustle kind of goes with content creation, but you could use it in so many different ways. This is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a smart way to earn money for products that you already use or services that you already use. The companies give you a unique affiliate link that you can use when you're making stories, reels, TikToks, or just ads. When your audience makes a purchase, you get part of the commission. So that's a passive income dream. This is a great way to earn passive income because after you make the video, you're done there and then the money just rolls in, even while you sleep. Another great side hustle is freelancing your services. Freelancing has been around for years and it's not going anywhere because everybody needs assistance with doing something. If you have skills in writing, marketing, editing videos, makeup designing, there's always work for talented freelancers. side hustle we'll discuss in this video is online coaching and consultation. If you have an expertise in a particular area, like health and wellness, showing people how to do makeup or how to do their hair, what products to use, or with financial planning, showing people how to plan for their future financially. Also like career coaching, showing people how to find jobs, how to write a great resume, or business consultation, showing people how to build websites for their company or what's the best avenue to go for their company. Then online coaching and consultation is a great area. There you have it. Some online side hustles for 2024. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is finding a side hustle that you enjoy, something that you're passionate about, something that you are willing to put time into to create the extra income that you would like. Be sure to research, plan, and stay up to date with the current trends to get the max potential from your side hustle. Thanks for tuning in. And if you find this video helpful, hit thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. As always, leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep hustling and keep 2024 your year of financial success. Bye!